hey, if you look at the time, it's after 6. This is Noah from After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make a Scofflaw. According to the liquor.com website, during the Prohibition era, a scofflaw was used to describe a lawless drinker at the time. Well, thank God, 100 years later, Prohibition is not a thing. It's just so we can actually, make these drinks in public without the fear of getting locked up and treated like criminals, or be caught up in some illegal scheme and the violence resulting from that scheme. This drink was invented during the Prohibition era, and it's weird to say we're making this about 100 years later. It involves rye whiskey, some dry vermouth. We got the martini and rosé as usual. I'm almost out. I like this vermouth. Some orange bitters, some grenadine, and some lemon juice. We're going to start off with some orange bitters, a dash of orange bitters, 2 dashes of grenadine. I do not have a dasher for grenadine. It's a syrup. It's a very, very viscous tool, so I'm really just going to pour as little as possible in there. And we'll call that 2 dashes. A 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. One ounce of the dry vermouth, two ounces of rye whiskey, this is a shaken drink because it has citrus juice in it. Take a taste of it. It's a bit too tart. Yeah, it's way too tart for me. It looks pretty, but it's way, way too tart. If I made this personally, I would add more grenadine. Well, I do maybe like half an ounce to 3/4 of an ounce to make it to the way I would like the taste of it. But as it is currently, it's just not for me. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Have a good night, and we'll see you the same time next week.